Hello students. So in the previous video I told you about the subjective case and the exercise we already did. Now in today's video, we are going to do the possessive case. Okay, possessive case of noun. We already have stated that noun has 4 cases. The first one being the subjective case, when the noun is acting as a subject in the sentence. The second one is the objective case, and the third one is dative case. Objective and dative case are related to each other. For the objective case, the noun is acting as the direct object, while in the dative case, the noun is acting as the indirect object. Now, the fourth type of case is the possessive case. Possessive case is used for showing possession. It shows possession. Okay, so obviously, it is normally used for living things. It is normally used for living things and personified object. Personified object. Okay. For non-living things, we don't use possessive case in that way. But there are certain exceptions. So for this exercise, we have to understand that possessive case uses apostrophe for telling about somebody's possession. Okay, like the only exercise that you have for possessive case is exercise number F. So in order to show possession, you have to change the phrases which are given, the songs sung by Lata, into possessive case. Okay, possessive case noun. And all the questions which are given in the exercise, we are going to discuss them. Now look at the first one. The first one is, please give me the CD of the songs sung by Lata. You have to change the emphasized or the bold part into a possessive case. Understood? So the first one will be, please give me a CD of Lata's songs. In your copy you will write the answers in full. But in your book you just write it with pencil. Write it with pencil. So it will be Lata's song, where Lata's will be the possessive case. Number 2 is, the house owned by my sister-in-law would be up for sale very soon. So my sister-in-law's house. My sister-in-law's house. See, we are changing the phrase into a noun containing possession. Okay, so this noun in possessive form is called the possessive case of the noun, and here we get sister-in-law's house. Okay, so since this whole thing we say together, sister-in-law, so the apostrophe will come at the end of the word, not here. My sister's-in-law's house, that is not correct. My sister-in-law apostrophe is house. And number 3 will be the new book written by Vikram Seth. So it will be Vikram Seth's new book. Okay, Vikram Seth's new book. Now, last 2 I want you to attempt on your own, and I want you to show it to me. Understood? And there are certain extra rules which we can learn about using the apostrophe. I can give it to you in the portal, but we do not have time for all going into the detail in the online class, since this is just a part of the chapter. So with this we come to the end of the noun section in the chapter Nouns and Pronouns. Next we would be proceeding with the pronoun section. And we will be studying at first the personal pronouns. Okay, so till then you clear all your doubts which you have with me in the portal, and we can interact if you have some extra questions. I'll be giving you some extra work in grammar very soon, and in them I will also be including the rules for writing the possessive case. Understood? Okay, so thank you.